The code M1307 in a Bobcat machine means that there are problems with the fuel shutoff solenoid. This is a small electric unit mounted on the fuel pump, and it just opens and shuts off the fuel flow when commanded to do so by the main controller. But the thing is that these solenoids are quite long-lasting and reliable, so they rarely fail themselves, but their wiring systems typically fail and make it difficult to locate the problem. So there are several things you may do before you pay for any professional help. First of all, locate the fuel shutoff solenoid, disconnect the connector, and have a close look at the pins. They may be corroded and have green or white residue on them. In this case, thorough cleaning may actually help. Also look at the wires in the harness and make sure they aren't broken or exposed and shorted. If everything looks good here, there is another thing you may want to know. These fuel shutoff solenoids are powered by dedicated relays, and they also have fuses controlling the electrical circuit. Quite often, if you get this M1307 code, you just need to change the relay or replace the fuse, which is a cheap DIY job, and you'll be good to go. In modern loaders, the fuse and relay are located in the fuse box. Here is the relay location for the S185, and here is the fuse. In all the F-series machines, there was a relay mounted in the engine bay, and the fuse was located inside that relay, which is also often called the fuel timer relay. So if you've already checked the wiring harness, relay and fuse, but you still get the M1307 code, the problem is very likely with the coils inside the solenoid, and the solenoid will have to be replaced. This is a relatively easy job, and the price of the solenoid is $100 to $250 depending on the model and year of your Bobcat. So basically, replacing it along with the relay and fuse will cost you less money than just getting your Bobcat to the dealership and having it inspected by a mechanic.